Okay. Welcome to the third part of our series of numbers in Spanish. Okay. So this is gonna be from 16, the numbers from 16 to 19. And again, I know it's just four numbers, but it is because they have a spelling pattern. So if you watched my previous videos, you watched the video from of the natural numbers from 0 to 9. Then we had another um, video from 11 to 15, and then now from 16 to 19. And I don't want to sound like, oh, this is just a lot. It's just because I wanted to divide it in chunks so it's better for you to understand them. All right. So, and you know that this channel is pretty much all about flashcards. So that's what I want to bring to you. All right. And at the end of the video or in the middle of a video, towards the end, you are going to find a pronunciation guide for this, and so you can understand where does this pattern or spelling pattern comes from, and it's easier for you to understand how to spell them anyways. All right. So but first we're going to make a little review of our numbers from 0 to 9, 11 to 15, and then we go to our business. Let's go. All right, so from 0 to 9, we have cero, and it will be very nice if you repeat. Cero, uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho, nueve, and then our first 10, diez. All right, so our natural numbers from 11 to 15 have the spelling, the suffix is the same. Uh, it ends in CE for all of them. Okay, from 11 to 15, all the numbers end in CE, so it's easier to spell them. Let's take a look. Once, doce, trece, catorce. That's my gator number. I insist, it looks like gator. Okay, quince, and those are the numbers from 11 to 15. Okay, so once, doce, trece, catorce, quince. I just want you to be sure or take a look at these and those at that spelling. Sorry. All right, now let's go to our business, which is natural numbers from 16 to 19. Let's take a look real quick. Those are 16, 17, 18, and 19. They share, okay, the prefix. Now, the previous numbers share the suffix, as you can see, but these numbers from 16 to 19 share the prefix, okay? 16, 17, 18, 19. Now I'm going to explain you why is that DSE and where it does it come from. But you are very smart, so you know where it comes from. Can you see that DSE 6 is 10 and 6 or 10 plus 6? So if you close your eyes, well, you don't need to close your eyes. You have it there. See? DSE 6. If you say this really quick, if you say DSE really quick, DSE, 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 all right? Sounds like your prefix, DSE, right? This one that is underlined. So pretty much that DSE over there just means 10 and. But if you put it in one word, sounds really weird, okay? Or it looks really weird because we don't have that Z Y cluster as we learned previously. We don't have that Z with Y, or we don't have pretty much ZE or ZI words. We just have like CA or ZO, ZU, but we don't have that ZY, Z spelling. So that is not something we want to do. Okay, write DSC to make it one word, and then just keeping the Z and keeping the Y. So what did we do was just change the Z for a Z and change the sound. The closest sound to E was the I, all right, DSC, and then make it one word. So it changes to 16. Sounds like 10 and 6. 17, 18, and 19. That is it. You don't need to know anything else because that's pretty much it. All right, let's do a really quick repetition and let's go. 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, 19. Okay, bye.